You're right, there are many places in the United States where you can live on $2,000 a month, especially if you're a single person. The point of my video wasn't that I was going to move to Costa Rica. It was a thought experiment. I was basically trying to highlight how the FIRE movement and living below your means can be really helpful when providing you with freedom to actually leave your job or do something you really want to do, like maybe full-time travel. My personal plan is that I plan on moving out of California into a lower cost of living state so that I can actually buy a home, afford a home for my family of 4 and work probably part-time. I have the freedom to do this because I've been aggressively saving for the past 7 years and had a savings rate of over 50%. If you can achieve a savings rate of over 50% or 50% even, and invest in low-cost index funds or some other investment like real estate, you can probably achieve financial independence as well, or at least some level of financial freedom. That's what we teach in our coaching, in our videos, and on our blog and website. Follow us to learn more.